mountain roads. Anong komentaryo mo sa mountain roads? The video's here.
Show the mountain roads first so they can see.
Wala siyang commentary.
Easy pa siya eh.
Avi, your accent melty.
You have cows, no? Right side, ang dami.
Anong komentaryo mo sa roads pa? Di ba may commentary ka?
What I like about yung setup na ganito, ano, basta mga mountain. Separate yung ano to, yung lanes, may dividers sa gitna. Because in this type of driving, inevitable talaga na sometimes you go out of your lane because of the curves. No? So dapat one way lang siya na 2 lanes. This is a safer way of driving, no? Or safe setup for drivers.
Ikaw, ma'am.
Overtake also, no? For example, sa likod natin may mag-overtake, yan. Kahit na mountain road, pwede siya makapag-overtake. Yan, no?
Ikaw, ma'am, what's your commentary?
Or
I also agree if it is a mountain road, but this is a flat land. And they have the luxury of a standing road, but they clear the mountain. And you have to blast the mountain to fill the space.
Grabe.
Therefore, it might be difficult to have all those. They might not have the luxury of space to do that. But it's really, if it can be done, it's ideal for the safety of the drivers and the passengers.
What's your comment pa with that?
yan, kita mo yung highway. Ayan. So, this area is very historic. Marami mga away dito. Kung tingnan mo, itong area na to. Mga big armies during the old times. Armies from the east. Kasi palaging bida ng mga army galing sa west, yung mga Romans, no? Tapos o mga Hungarians, yung mga V-lanes, yung mga ano to, mga eastern, no? Parthians, no? Those galing sa Persia.
On the road.
Ganda ng road, no?
Nice road. What material is this made for, Hannah? Let me hear it, Hannah. What's the best material for that can safely accommodate fast driving cars with very fast drivers, even faster drivers?
Yung ahead sa atin is a Ford Focus siya na vehicle.
What material is best, Hannah? Is this made of concrete or of
I don't know. I mean, it's concrete. I don't know the best material.
or the right mix of materials? It's like, well, meron silang tar version na made of tar and asphalt. There's also versions that are made of
Asphalt's hard to maintain eh.
are hard to maintain, but they're cheaper.
They're faster to set up.
Sa mainit, stronger yung grip mo. Ito, sa asphalt.
What material is best is not so hard on the tires. Because if it's also asphalt,